students, let's complete our set practice on ecology. We will start in this video by question number 19. Epiphytes are plants. As you know, epiphytes are plants. But which of those is correct about epiphytes? Read the questions. Epiphytes, they are plants of specific characteristics. They are photosynthetic, but which one is correct? Question number 19. B. Photosynthetic plant that grow on trees rather than supporting themselves. They can't find out the sunlight easily, so they depend on other trees. They grow on trees to get sunlight and also nutrients. The process of eutrophication refers to question number 20. C. The process that happens to a lake that absorbs too many nutrients. If there are too many nutrients in a lake, what will happen in this lake? Overgrowth of algae. As a result, the algae will take the most of the oxygen, so the aquatic organisms will die, and all the algae and aquatic organisms will sediment down to form soil, and the lake will turn into a wetland, and this is the process of eutrophication. Questions 21 till 24. Both organisms benefit, according to those questions about the interactions among communities. 21. Both organisms benefit. Which one of those? Of course, A. Mutualism. One organism benefits and the other one is not affected by the first organism. One benefits, the other one neutral, it's not affected at all. So question 22 is C. Commensalism. Example of symbiosis. Question number 23, the answer is it mutualism only, parasitism, commensalism, or all or none of the above? Of course, all. A, B, C, all are symbiotic relationships. Example of mimicry. What the meaning of mimicry? Question number 24. It's the phenomena in which one harmless organism, like harmless a butterfly, for example, this harmless butterfly mimics another insect or another butterfly that is poisonous. Why? Actually, it's not poisonous, but it takes its shape or its rituals. Why? To frighten enemies, so that any other enemy or predator will think that it's the poisonous one, so it won't eat it. This is mimicry. So example of mimicry is one of those mimicry. No, of course not. None of the above. So the answer of number 24 is D. The result of the action of decomposers is decomposers or recyclers. They cause what? Which of the following is correct? They decrease oxygen. Do they increase oxygen like producers? No, they decrease oxygen because actually they consume oxygen in the process of breaking down of organic matter. Let's go to the next page. These live in the roots of legumes. Nitrogen fixing bacteria for nitrogen fixation. It helps fixing nitrogen. Convert the ammonium into nitrate from its name. So this is the process of nitrification. So which bacteria cause this conversion? 27. The answer of 27 is C. nitrifying bacteria. Convert nitrate into free nitrogen. It sounds like it's opposite to nitrifying, so it's denitrifying bacteria. 28b, the opposite. 29, converts free nitrogen from the atmosphere into ammonium, and this is the process of nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen fixing bacteria convert the nitrogen from the atmosphere. This is the process of fixation, means to get the element from the atmosphere into the land, into the soil, into the plant in the form of ammonia. Which of the following is correct? Order of the biomes as you move from the equator to the North Pole. So try to imagine the globe, and we're moving from the equator to the North Pole. So which one is correct? The answer, of course, A, tropical rainforest, then desert, then in the temperate area, above the temperate area, taiga, and toward the poles, tundra. The questions finished. Thank you for your listening.